Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall and reinstall OneDrive on your Windows 8 or Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to go and start by opening up the start menu. So you want to type in run, so R-U-N. Best match should come back a run. Okay, so into the run field, I'm going to have a couple different commands in the description of the video. The first one, if you're running a 32-bit version of Windows, it's going to have a different path name than if it was a 64-bit. 64-bit will have SysWOW64, whereas the 32 will say System32. To uninstall, it should have a /uninstall at the end of the command. So you want to just copy that in my description, paste it in here, left click on OK. This should uninstall it. Again, you want to make sure you're doing the correct one for 32 or 64-bit version of Windows. Going to get user account control prompt here asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Left click on yes. I'm running a 32-bit version of Windows. As you could tell if you looked at the command I typed in, it had the System32 in it. Most people are probably running the SysWOW64 command. And again, you can read the command and see what I'm referring to. So it's not a very long command here. So now when you want to reinstall OneDrive, again, open up the start menu, type in run, select run again. Now I'm going to delete what was in the field before. I'm going to paste in a new command, and this time it should say OneDriveSetup.exe. That'll be the same for both, except you can see System32 will be replaced by SysWOW64 if you were on a 64-bit computer. Left click on OK to run it. So once that's done, you should be good to go. So thank you guys for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.